Now let's proceed to the next topic, and that is multiplications. Now using Vedic math, we can multiply the numbers at a mind-boggling speeds. And some of the calculations we can even beat a calculator. We can perform faster than a calculator. But before we go ahead in the concepts of multiplications, tell me how many tables you know. So knowing tables is very, very important in solving the problems in Vedic mathematics. You must know at least tables up to 9 perfectly. If you know tables up to 9, that's it. You can deal with any big calculations in multiplications using Vedic mathematics. Now, if you know tables up to 9, I can show you how we can learn tables from 12 to 20 in just 1 minute. Yes, you heard it right. There's a technique in Vedic math by which you can tell any table. You should not learn actually. There's a way you can tell any table from 12 to 20 in just a flash of a second. Okay. Now let's see the tables method. Tables from 12 to 20, because table of 10 is very easy, it's quite natural. Table 11 also is very natural, right? So from 12, hardly children know the tables, right? Now here we apply a technique called as the Paravartya Yojit. This is actually the Sanskrit name. The English translation to this is transpose and apply. Now look at the word Paravartya. It's like Hindi, Parivartan. Parivartan means change, or in Telugu, Parivartana means change. Yojit means apply. Okay. So transpose means to change first and then apply. Okay. There are many applications of this Paravartya Yojit, even in big calculations in algebra also. But right now I'll be showing you in tables from 12 to 20, right? Now you should know just 3 levels of additions. If you can finish off these 3 levels of additions, you can tell any table from 12 to 20 in flash of a second. Okay, right. The first level of additions is something like this. It's called the same tens, adding same tens. Now I'll just ask you some questions. Answer me this. How much is 10 plus 10? So is that 20? 20 plus 20, how much you get? It's 40, right? Quite natural. 30 plus 30, 60. 40 plus 40, 80. It's very easy, no? 60 plus 60, you get 120. 90 plus 90, you get 180. So it's quite natural, okay? So there's a level 1 of additions, okay? Now let's go for level 2. Okay, second level. It's called adding 2 different tens. It's also quite easy. Like how much is 10 plus 30? You get 40, right? How much is 40 plus 20? See, 2 different tens, like 40 and 20, okay? So 40 plus 20 is 60, right? How much is 60 plus 30? It's 90, right? How much is 20 plus 50? You get 70, right? It's quite natural. How much is 80 plus 70? You get 150, right? So this is second level, that is adding 2 different tens. Now we have the third level. Now if you can tell this third level of additions, you can tell any table from 12 to 20, okay? It's called tens to any number. I mean some tens number, some multiple of 10, adding to any number, okay? Something like this. How much is 10 plus 15? It's 25, very easy, right? So you should know this ability, okay? Now how much is 30 plus 12? So you have to think, that's it. You have to tell in a flash, 42, right? How much is 60 plus 25? It's 85, right? How much is 40 plus 42? You get 82. How much is 70 plus 31? You get 101, right? How much is 90 plus 43? You get 133. Now if you can tell this additions fast, that's it. You can tell any table from 12 to 20 very fast. This is the third level. So it's called adding any multiple of 10 to any number. Okay, now with this level 3 additions, I'll show you how we can tell any table from 12 to 20. Okay, now let's take an example and work it out. How much is 12 for? So let's first take small numbers and work it out, okay? Now how do you deal with this? Maybe some people know table of 12, they can tell it fast, but understand the technique here. The bottom number, whatever you get here, Now this number is actually called as the multiplicand. Do you know that? Now mind you, it's multiplic A and D, and mostly we get E and D, right? Addend, minuend, subtrahend, okay? But here only in multiplication, it's called multiplicand, okay? And the bottom number is called as the multiplier. And the answer what you get from that is actually called as a product, right? This probably you're all aware about it. So whatever the multiplier number, think it's 10 times. You get 4, think 40, you get 6, you think 60, you get 8, you think 80, you get 9, you think 90, like that, okay? And then just think of the table. Now 4 means 40 plus, just think of the table. Now 4 twos are how much you get? 8. Now how add 40 plus 8? You get 48, right? That's the answer, as simple as that. Let's take one more problem, something like how much is 13 6s? So if you get 6 at the bottom, think 60. So 60 plus just the table. 6 3 is how much you get? 18. So how much you get? 60 plus 18. You get 78, right? That's it. As simple as that. Something like 14 7s. Okay? Now if you get 7 at the bottom, think 70. Add it to the table. 7 4s I get 28. 70 plus 28, you get 98, isn't it? One more. How much is 16 6s? So you get 6 in the bottom, think 60, right? Add it to the table. 6 6 are 36. 60 plus 36, 96. In fact, you have to do it mentally. Like 60 and 36, 96. Like, you see bottom 4, 40 plus 2, 8, 48. You get 60 plus 18, 78. You should be able to tell mentally. I told you the level 3 additions. That's it. So here also same thing. If you get a number something like 17 7s. So 70 plus 49, 119. You should get that ability just by, seeing the table. You should be able to guess the answer in flash. Okay, something like 18 6s. So 60 plus 48 is 6 plus 60, right? 6 plus 40 is 108, right? As simple as that. Okay, so you just got right the answer directly. All this must happen in seconds. Like if you get something like 19 7s. So 70 plus 63, 133. So I told now everything in Vedic math is linked to additions. I told you in the topic of additions only. If you are a genius in additions, you're going to be a champion in mathematics. Okay, one last one, something like how much is 18 8s? 80 plus 64, 144. So you must get that ability of adding the numbers so fast, okay? It comes with a bit practice. Just try some 30 to 40 such problems and your brain will get habituated to this kind of additions. So keep practicing all the exercises given to you in the worksheets and get back. Then we'll go for the next higher level in multiplications.